Good morning to everybody. Good morning to everybody. Can you hear me? Yes. Today, very important. Why? Because 99% of the interviewer asking about today class question. That's all. 99%. Any type of interviewer, not only Oracle database, Java, .NET, PHP, Python, any type of front-end developer side also database knowledge is there or not, check it out purpose, write a query to display nth salary employee or second highest salary employee or fifth highest salary employee. By using correlated subquery only they're asking. Why? Because you are writing the query, that is a predefined query, but unfortunately execution they're asking, execution not properly telling me is rejected. Only execution they want. Because once you execution you are good means same executions are there in a exist operator side. There is a most powerful performance operator. Without that one, there is no performance tuning projects only. That much of powerful. That's why this much of thing you are understandable means anything also you are handling their thinking. That's why maybe there is a popular entry question. And now here, suppose you are facing a problem, you are unable to write means one chance they are giving only now into your dense rank through also they're asking, because dense rank you are learning also you are a good professional. Why? Because that is an overlap function side. Now yesterday we are telling only correlated subquery. Okay, fine. First step in a correlated subquery side, you must familiar execution. What is that execution means? Yesterday big algorithm is there. I'm not explaining, only observe it here. Yes, it will. Whenever you are submitting a correlated subquery, then it will get a candidate row from the parent query table, then control passed into child query where condition, and based on the evaluation value, it compares value with the parent query where condition. This is today we are learning. This is most powerful, but practically you are understandable. Don't worry. That's why before we are going to start that one, yesterday anybody attending means I am drawing a diagrams, you are observing or not. Here already again I'm okay, so already we are telling only any newcomers means fastly observed here. Anybody not writing yesterday means this is important. Non-correlated subquery, yesterday I'm drawing a diagram. How can I? In a non-correlated subquery means simple. Here child query is there. Again, which one's a parent query is there. First is child query executed, then only parent query executed. That's why unidirectional mechanism I'm telling or not? Yes, here. But unfortunately, in a correlated subquery means not like that. A big concept is there. This is a what? Child query is there. This is a parent query is there. Now here this difficult execution, which one? First, so now here a child query. No, so now here is parent query passing a what? A record into where in a child query. This is the first step. Now here based on that record, where condition is evaluated. This is the second step. Again, based on the evaluation value, it will compare value with the what? A parent query where condition. This is the third step today we are learning. Whenever condition is true, then only that candidate row return into result only. That is a what? So now here a final output only. This is the big execution. These all the executions today we are learning. Final output. Okay, na? Yes, yeah. That's why a bidirectional mechanism, this one only. Up to this one, we are discussing a what? Yesterday. Okay, na? And now here, check it out. Concentrate here. Don't afraid only query today. Why? Because query is very difficult. That's why I'm not started only. Why? Because so many fellows are lately connected. Now check it out. Concentrate here. What is the query through we are learning at this execution process means always in a worldwide programmers, always they are learning about this execution process by using a what? One query, the top and analysis query. That is what? Nth highest salary employee or second highest salary employee or okay, some third highest salary employee. By using a predefined query is there. ANSI ISO SQL provided this query. This is a top and analysis query. This is a correlated subquery. A predefined query. Query is difficult first time. But the difficult query also don't afraid only. Just process you are observe it only. Process easily understandable. Then we are telling about how easily remembering what that query means. I will tell you. Now check it out. Slowly observe it here. Concentrate here. Suppose this is a table is there. Slowly observe it here. This is a table. Don't write it. Don't write it. Just observe it here. Yeah, whenever correlated subquery means yesterday I'm telling only table alias name we are using only. Already we are discussing or not? Yes, here. Now observe it here. Suppose nth highest salary I want, otherwise second highest salary I want. Second highest salary I want, first highest salary I want means yes, predefined query is there in a correlated subquery. Select star from table name. Alias name we are creating compulsory. In a parent query, we must create a what? Alias name and use that alias name in a where child query where condition. Okay, fine. Don't write it here. Now check it out. Where now here nth highest salary employee means first means one, second means two, like this only. Some predefined query is there. There is a top analysis query. Don't worry. Now we are changing these queries. We are changing so many things only. You are understandable. And now here, yes, here. Now some predefined query is there. And now here, check it out. Here some condition is there. And now here, yes, like this. Don't write it. And now here, check it out. Yes, first highest salary means 1. Second highest salary means 2. Third highest salary means 3. Fourth highest salary means 4. Fifth highest salary means 5. Like this only we are using. Okay, first highest salary means 1. Yes, here, like this first highest salary, it will display. Again here, second highest salary means 2. Third highest salary means 3. Like this only. Some concept is there. And now here, check it out. This is a predefined query. Second highest salary means 2 we are using. Don't worry, this query. And now here, check it out. 2. Or maybe second highest salary employee 3,100. 3,100 is there or not? Yes, here. Again, third highest salary employee means just in place of 2, which one? 3 is there. Okay, fine. Yes, this is a correlated predefined query. And now here, yes, here, fourth highest salary employee, 4, like this. But this query you are writing also, you are biating also, but unfortunately, interviewer asking execution. Execution, at least a small step, you are telling a wrong side also rejected. That much powerful this one. That's why first I am taking a what? My own table. Through that table, some records I am taking. Through that one, very easily understandable step by step, get a candidate row, control goes to where child query where condition, then evaluation value that will compare with the parent query where condition. True means that candidate row, it will be written. Yes, here, those all the things today you are understandable. That's why first our own table I am taking. Then only your EMP table better. Okay, that's a better. And now why? Because this important question. That's why. And now check it out. Suppose this a table is there. Don't write it. Today, half an hour or 1 hour, concentrate only. And now here, check it out. This is a table is there. For example, I am creating. Create a table name test. I'm taking a one table. Don't write it here. Create. Don't write it anything. Create table test only. For example. In this test is a table, same like a employee e-name column I'm taking, because in a future employee table also we are using, that's why e-name, and also salary I'm taking. Slowly observe here, salary I'm taking like this. Now I try to insert the data, insert into what the table is there, test only values like this. Now I'm inserting a what in a data, single quotes, ampersand, e-name only, comma, ampersand salary like this. Now here check it out, employee name ABC I'm giving. This employee taking 100 is a salary. Anything 1,000, 10,000, anything also. By 100, 200 we are taking, means some counting is important only today, that's why. Now easiness purpose, ABC 100. Again here XYZ another employee 150 I am taking duplicate data, I'm not taking first, next only duplicate data, distance, so many things are there first without duplicate data today. Now here, yes, here my name Morally I'm taking next record. And now here check it out, Morally like this. Here 200, for example, salary. Again here another record, here anything PQ or anything also 300. Okay, fine. For example, this is a committing a transaction. This is a table is there. Slowly observe it here. This is a table is there. Slowly observe it here. Very interesting. And now here, yes, here test is a table. This is a table is there. Okay, test is a table. 1 minute observe here. First highest salary employee, which one? PQR 300. First highest salary employee. Second highest salary employee, Murali 200. Third highest salary employee 150. Fourth highest salary employee ABC 100, for example. Suppose one predefined correlated subquery is there. Now select star from test only, alias name they are creating only, where first highest salary means 1 is equal to select here counting based only top analysis count star from test only, alias name they are giving. Now here where E2 dot salary is greater than or equal to E1 dot salary based only, this is working. Now check it out. Here first highest salary employee PQR 300, it will be displayed or not? Yes, here. Suppose Second highest salary employee means in place of one, we are using a what? Two like this only. Second highest salary employee like this. Here, Murli 200 like this. Now today, how it will be executed means I will tell you, this is a predefined query also. Now your execution understandable very easy through this query. Third one means third highest salary employee XYZ 150. Okay, fine. Fourth one is now here, yes, here fourth one is fourth highest salary employee. Now here like this only automatically, yes, ABC 100. And now today, this query we are taking only, and this table I'm taking. Suppose here, second highest salary employee, 2 I'm taking only, for example, only 200. How it is working? I will tell you. Now, first, so now here you are only writing a what up to this one only, second highest salary or third highest salary, anything you are writing only. Then we are starting a what execution step by step, like this only. So many things I will tell you. Through the steps only, everyone understandable. Those all. 1 minute only, just anything we are taking, then through that one, once the steps you on idea, anything also you are understandable next step. But first predefined query through we are learning. Everyone compulsory learning at this query properly in a future distinct. So many things we are using. This is a very big concept. Write it first one only. Execution understandable purpose. Write it query. Write a query. Write a query to display. Write a query to display. Second, not only second, it is second highest salary employee, second highest salary employee from the following table, by using correlated subquery. By using correlated subquery. First, create a table like this. Then inserting a data into like this. Some data you are inserting, whatever data I'm inserting, same thing you have to check it out. Completing the transaction, saving. In a future commit rollback, I will tell you. This table. First, this table, right? These are all the steps, write it first. Then we are starting what it is all. Query, don't worry today. Query is very difficult, but executions understandable. First step is executions, then only query you are 50. Write a query to display second highest salary employee from the following table by using correlated subquery. This is a table, write it, create table name. In a data we are inserting, I am inserting data like this, commit, select star from test. This data also write. Then I will tell you execution. Without duplicate data in this case, okay? Next duplicate data also I will tell. This query also write it. This is a predefined query. Parent query alias name is there. That alias name somewhere they are using or not. Child query alias name not required actually, but first time newcomer purpose I am writing. Now this query, write it. Second day salary purpose 2 is equal to. This is my name and also 200 it will display. Only execution 3 steps are there. These 3 steps you must familiar, mandatory. That based only total concepts are there. This query don't afraid only. This query is a predefined ANSI standard query. One of these days you are also put out. Completed and now onwards don't write it anything. Half an hour concentrate. Otherwise 15 minutes concentrate. 15 minutes concentrate. Everyone process understandable. Okay, I am not giving the guarantee query only. And now here understandable, but process understandable. Now check it out. That is the execution process I want. And now how this query is executed. Slowly observe it here. Execution process. Don't write it. Don't write it. Observe it here. Concentrate here. This execution process I want. This is correlated subquery algorithm actually. Now slowly observe it here. Whenever I'm submitting about this query, okay, fine, into Oracle server. Then first Oracle server checks parent query table is available or not. Yes, here parent query table alias name is available or not. It will be checking. And that alias name is available in a where, that alias name using in a where in a child query where condition or not, checking is the server, okay, internal algorithm. Whenever that alias name is available in a where in a child query, that alias name using in a where child query, then it will be treated as a what? A correlated subquery by the server. Now, whenever it will be decided this is a correlated subquery means control goes to where? Parent query or child query? Very good. Parent query. Control goes to where? Parent query. Algorithm is executed. Parent query, not a child query. Parent query. Because correlated subquery execution start with the what? Parent query. Parent query means total parent query is executed here? No. It will get a candidate row from the parent query. What is that one means? I will tell you. Suppose execution process. Observe it here. Don't write it only. Phases are there, each and every record checking by the where server. Same like a row num is there, no? Here like this execution row num I am telling you, same, it's similar. Phase 1 is executed. What is that one means? Don't write it. Step 1 only. Whenever we are submitting a what? A correlated subquery, first control goes to where? First record. This is stored in a where? A temporary buffer. Now here this control goes to where? First record only, first record. Yes, ABC 100. This it will be fetching only testing purpose. Either true or false, it will be checking. Whenever condition is true, this record is written into result. Whenever condition is false, this record is rejected. Same like a row num execution side, whatever process is there, similar process only. Suppose here step 1, what is the step 1? It will get a candidate row. Don't write it what it is the first row, it is the second row like this. Only candidate row is a terminology. Terminology is also most powerful. This is important concept. That's why terminology I'm not interested to change. Get a candidate row. It will be taking a what? Get a candidate row. Get a candidate row. Yes, candidate row means in this case, first row. In this case, first row only. In this case, first row. Okay, na? First row. Candidate row means first row in this case. In a first row, now here, yes, here in this first row only. Now what is the first row? It will take a what? First row. What is the first row? ABC 100. Okay, na? So now here, yes, here ABC. And now here ABC 100. In this example side, this is a candidate row. Okay, na? Second time is second row, third time is third row. Okay, and this row it will be testing yes, here true or false based on conditions. It will get a candidate row from the parent query table. Candidate row means first row in this case, first phase. Okay. Now control goes to where? Same like a okay, non-correlated control goes to where? Second step is what? Control goes to where? Child query. Child query is executed next. First candidate row, then child query is executed. Now here check it out. Step 2. Step 2 side. Yes, here child query is executed. Child query means what is the child query? Don't write it here. Select here. Select count star. Some query is there. Don't write it. Select count star from test is a table. Don't write it. Just observe it here. Alias name is there. Where now here where E2 dot salary is greater than or equal to some query is greater than or equal to E1 dot salary is there. But how it is working? This one means Now screen observe it, screen observe here. What is the first row? What is the first row? ABC 100. Whatever salary is there in that ABC 100, this salary is substituted. This candidate row record value is substituted in a child query. And now in a child query, where is that one? Here, E1 dot salary, E1 dot salary place 100, it will be substituted. Observe here, 100. Where the which one alias name is there in that one, candidate row value is substituted in a child query. Observe it, 100. Then only this child query is evaluated. What is the evaluation? Means execution. Now observe here, anybody guess it only? Select count star. Count star means 1, 2, 3, 4 only. This is a top analysis query. That's why they are giving a count star only. E1 dot salary is greater than or equal to 100. How many more than? Okay, so here E2 dot salary. E2 dot salary is greater than or equal to E1 dot salary means in place of E1 dot salary, how much it will be substituted? 100. Okay, na? Yes, 100. Now tell me, maybe you are familiar only. How many count stars are there? How many number of records are there in a table? Greater than or equal to 100. Greater than or equal to 100. How many count stars are there? Maybe count it. Yes, very good. How many are now here in number of records are there means more than 100. Here, this is 1. This is 2. This is 3. That's why count star value is what? 3 only. But unfortunately, there is a wrong one. Why? Because more than 100 means 150, 200, 300, correct. But they are giving a what? Greater than or equal to. You are observing or not? Here, greater than or equal to is there. Greater than or equal to means that record also counting or not? Yes, here. That's why how many records are there more than 100? 1, 2, 3. Not only that one, 4 greater than or equal to. That's why correct answer is 4 only. The child query evaluated value in this case, very good, 4 only. Now very good. One fellow is telling 4. Don't write it. Just observe it here. 4 only. Oh, this is a child query evaluation value. Only execution idea purpose. First observe it here. Okay. Query, don't worry. 4 only. In this case, count star is a 4. Now, there's what is the third step? Internal execution means this child query value is compared with the parent query where condition. This child query value 4 only, that is compared with the what? Parent query where condition. Okay, na? Yes, here. Now that is the third step. Now here step 3, don't write it here, step 3 only. In this step 3 only, now your parent query where condition, this value is compared only. Now here, that's why what is the parent query? Select star, observe here, select star from E, okay, test only. Now here E1, where second highest salary employee 2 is equal to, yes, here what is the evaluation value? 4 only. 2 is equal to 4. 2 is equal to 4. True or false? Very good. Where condition? False only. 2 is equal to 2 means true. 2 is equal to 4 is false. Whenever condition is false, that candidate row does not return into result. That's why here this ABC 100 is not a second highest salary employee. Suppose fourth highest salary employee is correct. Suppose here 4 is there. Fourth highest salary means 4 is equal to 4 is a what? True only. Then only that record is written into ABC 100 written into result. But here I am checking anyway second highest salary. Okay, my interest purpose second highest salary employee. That's why this is 2 is equal to 4. 2 is equal to 4 means false. Okay, na? 2 is equal to 4, false. That's why that candidate row. What is the first candidate row is there? Yes, ABC 100. That when condition is false, that is the same like a row name execution. You have an idea, no? When condition is where condition is false, then that record, that candidate row means which row is processed, that one. Then that candidate row does not return into result. Okay, na? Yes, here result. And now this is a process that is eradicated, that is rejected, that record only. Okay, na? Yes, here. Now second onwards, you are only tell me. And now here suppose second row, next second row, it will be taking same like a for loops are there, no? In a normal language, for I is equal to 0, for I is less than or equal to 10, I less I plus plus. Again for j, nested loops are there, no? J is equal to 0, j is less than or equal to I, okay, j is plus plus like this. For every value of the outer loop, I, the inner loop will be executed or not. Same like here also, I is equal to 1, I is equal to 2, I is equal to 3 side. Yes, always inner loop is j is executed or not. Same like front-end language. Here every candidate row it will be checking. Now every candidate row it will be checking. Now you are telling what? Yes, all the phases only. Now here this algorithm based only. Phase 2. That's why slowly I'm telling. Query you don't have an idea really, but execution may be understandable, I think. And now here phase 2. And now here what is the phase 2? Now tell me slowly, because this algorithm compulsory you familiar. Now here, yes, here get a candidate row. Get a candidate row means next row. Okay, get a candidate row. Yes, get a candidate row means in this case second row. First row means first time, second row second time, third row third time, like this only. What is the second row? XYZ 150, top to bottom only. Okay, now we cannot control that one. On out here, yes, server is taking internal server execution. XYZ 150. Now here, whenever candidate row, it will be taking. Okay, fine. Now step two, control goes to where? Yes, child query where condition. Child query, what is that one? Select star, count star based example, this one. Count star from table name test, alias name, something is there, E1, E2, anything. Okay, so now here E2 now. Test E2 only, don't read. Now here, yes, here. Now where predefined condition, E2 dot salary is greater than or equal to E1 dot salary. E1 dot salary, how much here? Yes, this value is substituted. This whatever candidate row is there, that value is substituted. That value is a what? 150 here, 150 only. E2 dot salary is a what? 150. That's why here 150 is substituted. Okay, fine. Yes, more than 150, how many values are there? Yes, more than 150 means how many values? Count star, how many? 1 and 2 only. But unfortunately, greater than or equal to means 3. That's why here child query now your evaluation value is what? In this case, 3 only. Now this value compared with the what? Parent query where condition. Here step 3. Now what is the step 3? Here this value 3 is compared with the parent query where condition means select the star from here test only, alias name where now here 2 second is salary 2 is equal to 3 only. 2 is equal to 3 means what? False. So now here, yes, here this is also false or not? Yes, here select star from test E1 where second day salary, third day salary means okay, 2 is equal to 3 in this case. Second day salary here false only, where condition is false. Whenever where condition is false, this candidate row does not return into result, automatically that record also rejected. Okay, na? Yes, here that is everyone knows. Now here, yes, here. Now last phase only, third phase, you are only telling me that is a correct answer or not. You are only checking. Okay, na? Yes, here. Only this purpose actually. And now here phase 3. Suppose here phase 3 only on our next record. In a phase 3 means now here automatically step 1. In a step 1 means always get a candidate row. Get a candidate row. Get a candidate row means third row. What is the third row? Murli 200. Okay, fine. Observe here. Yes, here get a candidate row means in this case Murli 200 like this. And now here step 2 control goes to where? Child query where condition. Okay, that is execution actually. Select. Now here select the count star based only, don't worry. And now later distinct also we are using from test 2 on test 1 only and test E2. And now here where a predefined condition E2 dot salary is greater than or equal to E1 dot salary. In that case only this is working. Okay, E1 dot salary. Now in this E1 dot salary means this candidate row value is substituted. Okay, where the what was alias name is there, in that one child query that candidate row value is substituted. That is I want. Here 200. Yes, here E1 dot salary more than 200 means how many count stars are there? More than 200 means in a table only one. But unfortunately greater than or equal to 200 means here 2 is there or not? Yes, very good. 1 plus 1 2 only. That's why here child query evaluation value is what? 2. Then this value compared with the what? Yes, your parent query where condition step 3. That's why how can I select the star from table name, test here alias name, where now here where 2 is equal to which one? 2. Very good. Whenever 2 is equal to 2 means here true or false. Very good. True. Where condition is a what? True in this case or not? Yes, here. Whenever condition is true, where condition is true, then only that record is written into result. Now here, yes, here that is when where condition is true, when where condition is true, then only that candidate row written into return into result. That's why here whatever record is there points to where Murli 200, no, that record is a output. And now here, yes, output is a what? Yes, here what is that one? Murali. And now here Murali 200. But up to this one, okay. But what is my doubt means next record is checking by the server, same process, next record is checking by the server or does not check. Only one thing is correct. Anybody guess it? Next record is checking by the server or does not check. Only one thing is correct. Next record PQR 300 is there. Guess it. Checking or not checking? Very good. Who are telling you not checking means wrong answer. Checking. Why? Because maybe this PQR 200 is there. Then question mark. Okay, na? Yes, that's why every record also checking. When condition is true, it does not stop. All the records, millions of records are available. Also, all the records are checking. That's why performance very low. That's why improve performance means in a future exist operator we are using. Every record is checking. Every record also it will be checking. Yes, sir. That is condition is true. Condition is false also. Why? Because which condition is true, those records are written into result. Which records are conditions are false, those are rejected. Okay, na? Yes, that's why last record also checking now by the server. Okay, very important. Now here observe here last phase now here yes phase 4 only. Then only duplicate data means some problem is there. That is I'm telling now here yes. That's why these steps I'm writing faster because when we are changing a duplicate data, then what happened? You are only fastly telling that answers. Phase 4, then here step 1. Step 1 means get a candidate row. Get a candidate row. In this case, candidate row is PQR 300. Okay, na? Yes, here. Now here step 2. Control goes to where? Child query. Select count of star from test only, alias name, and now where E2.salary is a predefined query. Condition is greater than or equal to E1.salary means 300 only. But more than 300, 0 rows. But greater than or equal to 300 means 1. Very good. This table you have an idea, no? 1. Some people is asking, suppose more than 300 our salaries are, so many salaries are there. Yes, the same thing also counting. That's why I know any number of records you are taking also same outputs. Now here 1, now here 1 only. And now check it out. This value compared with the what? Parent query where condition. First day salary means okay, but unfortunately second day salary I'm asking only. That's why select the star from test here alias name, anything E1, T1, T1, anything. Okay, so now here where second day salary 2 is equal to 1. 2 is equal to 1 is what? False. Whenever false is there, that candidate row, yes, here when condition is false, when where condition is false, then candidate row does not return into where? Result only. Okay, na? This is the execution. At least execution process understandable or not? Query, leave that one. Don't worry. Query, one of the stage you are familiar because duplicate or so many things I'm telling only. That's why whenever anybody asking what any correlated subquery, okay, submitting means in every database, it will control goes to where get a candidate row from the parent query table, and then control goes to where child query where condition based on the child query evaluation value. And now it will compare this value with the what? Parent query where condition. Whenever parent query where condition is a true, then only that candidate row return into result. Whenever where condition is false, then that candidate row does not return into result. Okay, na? Yes, your execution that you are telling or not, check it out purpose interview. Okay, this type of queries they are asking only. That is popular for you only. But this is not completed. So many things are there. And now first this execution process, write it fast. Execution process, right? Only terminology purpose. Execution process phase one, right? E2 dot salary less than or equal to E1 dot salary means false only. That is, in this case, it is not process. Okay, lowest salary. We are changing later. In this case, only working. Okay. Phase one, this one. When condition false means this where condition. Okay. Then phase two, right? Get a candidate. Here in this one, E1 dot salary place, just we are writing a what 100 in this case. Previous case better. Just E1 dot salary place 100 only, it will be substituted. Okay. Here in a previous case, E1 dot salary you are writing no. In that one, just 100 better to write. Oh, this value is substituted. You are okay. Now phase two, write it. Same thing. One time you are writing means then duplicate data, then problems, all the solutions. Completed. Phase 3, right? Same. Completed this one. Phase 4, write it. Okay, na? E1 dot salary left hand side means same result. E2 dot salary left hand side means different result. Okay, yeah. Here E1 dot salary less than or equal to E2 dot salary, some fellow is telling, yeah. But here E2. Okay, na? Up to this one is enough today. Tomorrow, the duplicate data and also some other exist operator. Those are all the things I will tell you in a correlate. Tomorrow I will tell you, remain. Tomorrow will continue. Tomorrow will continue.